Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you Etch A Sketch. Etch A Sketch is a classic game. I played it when I was a child. I'm sure people a lot older than me played it when they were a child. Etch A Sketch has been around for over 50 years. And it's a really good substitute to all the video games that are out there from Xbox and Nintendo and things like that. It's a really good old-fashioned game. So basically this is the Etch A Sketch. It's about 6.25 inches wide and then like 4 inches tall, so it's a pretty small screen. It has a red frame, and then these are the two dials. So if I wanted to create a square, you can see that the square is gradually coming into shape here. You see my first line, and then apparently I went downward. I meant to go upward, but you can go down like this, and then I believe if I turn it this way, yep, if you turn it over to the right, then you can make another square. Well, you can finish the square that you started. I misspoke. So that is basically my completed square. Let me try to finish this off. Yeah, so this is the hard part. You go back, and then you go down, and you want to try to finish the square evenly so that it doesn't look like you made any mistakes. But obviously that didn't happen for me. So when you do make a mistake, then what you would do is you just shake it, and it should come clean. It takes some time because this Etch A Sketch is very old. But there's sand on the inside that is supposed to basically wipe away the screen and you start fresh. And you can use this to make different designs. It's a good way to pass the time, especially if you're an only child and you don't have another person to play with. This is a fun thing to play with. So I'm just making one big line here, and then I am, just playing with the Etch A Sketch, basically going any direction I want to go in. Yep, so I'm basically crawling up the side of this Etch A Sketch right now. And I may just choose to go all the way to the top, and then just move myself across here, and you could probably see the line here, and I'm moving myself across at a pretty good rate, and then you move down, and the knobs will stop, because they know where the end of the board is, so they know you can't go past it. And I wouldn't, recommend trying to push the knobs beyond their capacity, because then they might break. So I'm going to continue going this way. You can probably see it at the bottom. If not, it is a pretty old Etch A Sketch, so it's not the easiest in the world. And apparently I didn't go all the way down to the bottom, because now I'm kind of going across right here right now. So you can kind of just continue in that rhythm. Despite them being, 50 years old, you can still find Etch A Sketches online and in store. They're pretty popular, as you can see, throughout the decades. Wonder if it says anything on the back here. It is a black back, so it's hard to see through the screen. They do give the instructions here They say, you know, to erase the sketch, hold level upside down, tap lightly, then shake gently with it back and forth or rotating motion. So they give warnings, give directions, they give contents. So they say that the powder inside the Etch A Sketch is aluminum, and that there's also plastic beads in the Etch A Sketch as well, and that these contents are non-toxic. So if, you know, accidentally your child breaks an Etch A Sketch, contents inside are non-toxic, so you don't have to worry about any type of hazard. I'm trying to read what else it has to say. Cleaning. Should the powdery contents escape, do not brush. It is easily cleaned when sponged lightly with soap and water. So yeah, it was created by, I think, the World of Toys. Ohio Art, the World of Toys. Yeah, so this is a pretty old game. If I was the person, you know, designing this, I would make the directions pop out. So maybe make the lettering white so that it pops out. Because, you know, when I'm doing this video right now, I can't show you the directions because the directions are the same color as the actual back of the game. So I guess this pretty much covers it. I hope you enjoyed watching.